Through the process of unboxing my first Louis. So as you can see here, we have the bag they came in and the box as well, which looks like that. And the process was really nice. We actually I tried on a few different pairs. The gentleman that helped us was really nice. Here they package your receipt in this little card. They actually wrap it up as well. So take this off. And that's what the inside looks like. It looks like there's a dust cover, 2 dust covers, so 1 for each shoe, and heel tips as well. So you get 1 set in here in that little bag. That's inside. And I got the irizas. These are size 36. So get you guys a peek. And what I really liked about these was the open side. I tried these on, and I believe it was the Kate as well, which are very similar, but the Kates are actually full covered. But again, I really liked the open side and how pretty that was. Is there anything else?
Tell them about the guy that helped you, all the different ones you tried on, the Miss Z's.
Oh yeah, so I tried on the Miss Z's, the Kate. There were other ones too.
So what was special about the Miss Z's?
Did those have the cushion in the inside?
The cushion and the...
Yeah, so the Miss Z's had like a cushion in the inside. These actually do not have that. The bottom as well, it seems like they have the long-lasting red bottom, like almost like a rubber on the bottom. So you don't really have to worry about the red on the Miss Z's. These, unfortunately, these are just like your traditional red bottom. So I'll be looking at protecting these. Let's see. I actually ordered 3M off of Amazon after doing a little bit of research. We'll actually be putting this on.
Take it out. It's like a clear PPF.
Yeah. Yeah, so just get a roll of like PPF.
But the big difference is that the Miss Z did not come in a matte yet. They only had the shine.
That's
right?
true. They only have patent, so no matte. And after trying on the patent, I really didn't like the patent. It was pretty, but for what I want them for is for dressing them up and dressing them down. So I definitely felt I could do that more with the matte versus the patent. The patent, I think, is more of a more put together look. Kind of had a hard time thinking about how to dress them down. Yeah, so dress them up and dress them down.
If you buy nice stuff, you want to wear nice stuff when you want to wear it, not just for special occasions.
Right. But in honor of a special occasion, these came along with the idea of us building our BMW. The BMW is black and red, so something to match once I get the vehicle came along with the Louis.
So yes, these are daily wear. I'll be installing PPF just like we will on her car, on her
on my Louis
shoes, so that the bottoms will stay protected and she can wear them more often with jeans and with whatever she wants to wear with. Anything else?
That's it.
The service at the store was great. We shopped at Nordstrom's at International Mall in Tampa. The name of the guy who helped us, you have his card?
Yeah, his name was Carlos.
So Carlos is the guy to go see.
Mhm.
So if you go see Carlos, let him know you heard about him on our YouTube channel from Jeanette.
Yep.
But he was really good. He helped us out. He wasn't even sure if we were going to purchase. We went dressed down like bums, you know. But I knew Jeanette was going to get these shoes, and I knew she'd be really happy about them to go with her vehicle. So go see Carlos at International Plaza in Tampa. He'll take care of you. She tried on almost every pair in the store, and she fell in love with these. And I think she looks really sexy in them too. And see the smile? That smile is what tells you everything. All right.
Thank you guys for watching and subscribe. Bye.